Hello, I am Neetu Narula. I serve as Chief of Staff at Microsoft India Development Center. So I came here at Yancure Center for a regular detox. I thought I'll go for a 1 week off and do a detox, which is a good thing. So as I came here, the Dr. Praveen Rana, who owns this place, so he did a deep pulse diagnosis for me, which is called Nadi Parikshan. So I've done it before, but this is the best and the deepest Nadi Parikshan I've ever had. And I don't think there are many doctors in India now, or anywhere in the world for that matter, who can actually do this level of depth of analysis with the pulse diagnosis anymore. So for people who don't know, pulse diagnosis is a non-invasive way of finding out what's going in your body. So right 3 days before I came here, I got a annual health checkup done, and with lots of MRIs and all sorts of radiations and therapies, all sorts of tests done. And almost everything that was pointed out in that health report, Dr. Praveen was able to find out just with my pulse diagnosis, everything. So this is super commendable, super impressive. I hardly know of anyone who has this kind of depth in the pulse diagnosis in India. So that's awesome. So then he was able to diagnose not just like I had some digestive issues going on, so he was able to find those, and we did really good deep treatment along with the detox work. He also did a lot of deep treatment for my digestive issues, and I'm already seeing improvements in the 7 days that I've been here. Today is the 7th day, and I'm already seeing the results. So I would say this is impressive on how deeply they are able to work and create impact. Other than that, the therapists are really good. They're starting the day with a morning yoga session, and many times we go near the Ganges, the holy Ganges, Ganga Nadi, and we do the yoga there, which is really rejuvenating, blissful. I mean, you could actually immerse in yourself, find your deep bliss within yourself also in this space. It's a beautiful, serene space out here, and the more like I've been here 7 days, it already feels like I've been on a vacation almost for a month or so. It feels like that, and it's blissful. And I would say I think this is much better use of your time. If you're thinking of a vacation, I think this is a much better thing. I would rather skip my vacation and spend a week here, getting my mental as well as physical rejuvenation done, and while also enjoying the family-like environment they have created. Like every evening we sit with our tea and have what we call gupshup, chai pe gupshup. We talk about things. After dinner we sit for half an hour in the gardens here, and we talk about how the day was with everyone. So it's a very family-like atmosphere, very safe space, very, very nice. I'm planning to come again in October with my entire family, my 2 kids and my husband, maybe my mother, my father-in-law, a lot of people, because the experience has been so nice. And I wish the entire team best of luck, my best wishes for taking this to greater heights. Thank you.